parang hindi pinahahalagahan yung
marriage,
yung marriage
relationship.
o yung relationship,
Yeah.
ganyan. They're not looking at it na parang hindi pwedeng hindi ma-break.
Siguro sa akin single man or yung in a relationship, wala naman talagang tao na yung magaling magbigay ng love advice, regardless kung nasa long-term or short-term relationship na. Parang sa atin, hindi naman masasabing magaling tayo magbigay ng love advice. It's just that marami tayong nasi-share na maaaring makatulong nga sa ibang may relationship din, sa ibang couple din, na having
Baka
said
may
that,
similar.
yeah, having said na ilang years na tayo and how do we maintain?
I know there are better couples and there are better relationships.
Yeah.
And there are longer relationship, di ba? Pero ang binibigyan natin kasi ng emphasis dito, we are similar to the age of couples na mabilis naghihiwalay. Di ba?
Ando na tayo sa era or generation
ng mga
na
ka-age namin or malapit sa age namin, parang hindi pinahahalagahan yung
marriage,
yung marriage
relationship.
o yung relationship, ganyan. O, hindi naman, not totally hindi pinapahalagan, pero parang they're not looking at it na parang hindi pwedeng hindi ma-break.
Oo, hindi ko...
Parang anytime pwede siyang maghiwalay.
Oo,
Parang
gano'n na laging mindset sa
Oo.
generation natin.
Kasi ibig sabihin, yung mas longer than us has a better perspective. What we're trying to influence and what we're trying to encourage is for the people similar to our situation or similar to our age bracket na magkaroon ng better perspective in relationship.